Is your car's underbody noise too loud? Let me show you how to fix it yourself with as-long car sound deadening. First, remove the seats and the carpet to expose the metal floor. Then clean the surface with a cleaner to remove the dust and oil. Measure the floor. Cut the sound deadening mat. Peel off the backing and stick it evenly on the surface. Use the roller to press it firmly, avoiding bubbles and ensuring strong adhesion, especially at the edges. Finally, put the carpet and the seat back. The soundproofing is done. Go it, try it yourself. Follow us for more tips.